Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cachea, and I'm back with another video. So as you can see, well, you probably don't know, but I'm all moved in. I got my couch. Stuff is gradually coming in. I didn't record a moving out like vlog type of thing because everybody was moving so freaking fast. Like everybody was like trying to just get it over with. So it was like a fast process. I moved in Saturday. It is Monday. So yeah. If you're new to the channel, hey pooh, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe because we lit over here. Join the fam. And if you want to see this little short vlog, did I tell you guys what I'm doing today? I'm doing like a short vlog. This is gonna be kind of like a organizing, coming me to run a few errands, but mostly just organizing because I'm gonna show you guys. I have boxes still everywhere, so let's show you guys. This is the office type of room. Boxes are still kind of everywhere, so I'm gonna try to go through these today. And yeah, and then I have stuff all in this area. This is my dining room table. These pillows I want to take out. These came with the couch, but I don't want them, so yeah, I don't want, yeah, these have to come out. I'll probably give them to my grandmother, but this is my dining room table. Hopefully it gets set up today, but I'm not sure. So yes, but you guys are just gonna come with me, organized with me and all of that. So if you want to see me organized, then keep on watching. So right now I'm in my kitchen. I'm gonna do a house tour soon, so stay tuned for that. But I had got these cute little things from Target. It says sugar, you put sugar in here. And then I have a flower one too, for flour. Don't mind my nails, they broke as I was moving. And I have a utensils one. This is not all the utensils that I have. I have to organize everything still. So yeah, I want to wash these out before I put the sugar in it because they're a little dirty. But I had got a blender. I got a blender from Target. I don't know if I showed you guys this yet, but this was on sale for $30. Originally like 40, 45. So I want to open this up and show you guys. Comes with a blender cup. This is the flour. You can make soup, salsa, milkshakes, drinks, and smoothies. Say hi to the vlog. Hi guys, what's going on? Tell me. Yeah. Hi. What you want to do? Help me. Let me see. Y'all just figuring this out because I don't know what I'm doing. Just this. We figured it out, guys. This is the blender. So cute, right? So I'm gonna be making smoothies, margaritas, all that. So come over and we're gonna get it cracking. So it's the next day and I haven't been recording, but I have got somewhere. Don't mind my braids. I have got somewhere with the process. I did take some hangers out the boxes and I'm hanging my stuff up. I'm currently color coordinating. So my stuff can look just, you always want your closet to just look good. It might be a little dark. I'm gonna go grab my ring light. Oh, I look crazy. It might be dark. I'm gonna go grab my ring light. So I got my tripod and I'm back. Don't mind the music if you can hear it, but like I was saying, I'm color coordinating. I know my head might look like it's cut off, but this is my favorite hoodie, by the way. That's why I'm always wearing it. This is my trap hoodie. And y'all, I broke some nails as I was moving, so that sucks. But I know you can see on the bed a little bit. These are my clothes. Looks very much horrible. So yeah. Right now, so far, I color coordinated just a little bit. But I have all my white, black. Now I'm starting the actual color. So yeah, I might fast forward this a little bit, and we're gonna get to it. So I'm just gonna put my stuff on hangers. Right now, you guys can watch me that, and I color coordinate like before I put it in the closet. So yeah. So guys, I think I'm going to organize my clothes. Like winter, I don't do that. Like I usually just put everything in my closet like winter and summer, but I think I'm just going to leave my winter clothes out because it's just too much. So yeah, look at this. I never wore this sweater. This is cute. I got a picture in this. If I can find it, I'm gonna put it on the screen. This was cute, and I had some little braids to the back. Like if something has like doing too much like this, then I have like a multi-color section where I just put it all in together because I don't have time to figure out what color that goes with. Never gonna wear this again. Y'all should have been did this. Like I need to just be honest with myself and get rid of some of this This shirt is very much old. My hair is cut off. I don't even. Oh, I do remember this shit. Clearly, this is my favorite color to wear. So this is what I have done so far. It's not quite color coordinated, but I'm just setting colors out so I know where to put them eventually. But yeah, I have my whites, blacks, nudes, yellows, blues, pinks, and I still have all of this to go. So I recorded some of the process, but I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished or doing something else. So yeah. So guys, it's later in the evening. We went to the grocery store and everything. I forgot to film that part, but I finished my closet. The bed is all clear. I'm gonna show you guys the closet. So I color coordinated the best way that I can. I put only some of my shoes up. I have a few boxes I still have to go through. Yeah, I had to throw away a bag of clothing. And I had to put my winter stuff up. I know people usually do seasonal, but I need to start doing that seasonal, like summer and winter, because I just don't have any more room in my closet. So yesterday I also showed you guys the dining room, and it wasn't done. It was a mess, but it's done now. This is the dining room area. It's so cute. I ordered these from at home. I didn't think they would be this small. Okay for now until the stores open back up. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys again. This is the dining room area. So yeah. This is the carpet. It's like a bear rug, I guess they call it. So cute with the picture and everything. Everything just goes together so well. Even the chairs. The table is marble. Everything is so cute. So I'm going to do more videos about organizing, and I'm going to do a video on doing my beauty room because that's coming soon too. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Do all that. Love you guys. Bye.